In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved chats on character.ai. First, open character.ai in your browser. Any modern browser will do, and a stable connection helps the interface load smoothly. Once the site is open, look to the left side of the screen. That panel is your conversation hub. It shows your saved chats, which are simply your ongoing or previous conversations with different characters. If you've been chatting for a while, you'll likely see a list there with titles or character names that help you recognize each thread. Next, choose the chat you want to work with by clicking on it in that left panel. This opens the full conversation on the right. Inside the chat, you'll see each individual message as a separate bubble, including your messages and the AI's replies. To remove something, hover over the specific message you no longer want to keep. You should notice a small 3-dot icon, sometimes called More Options. Near the edge of that message, click those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with actions you can take. Select Remove Message. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That message disappears from your chat, streamlining the conversation and keeping only what you want to see. If you have several messages you'd like to clean up, repeat the same action on each one. Open the 3 dots and choose Remove Message again. This is handy for clearing out mistakes, trimming long threads, or removing sensitive details you don't want to keep in your visible chat history. Now, if your goal is to reduce clutter in the left panel without editing individual messages, you can archive chats to hide them from your chat history. Archiving is different from removing messages. Removing deletes a specific message from the conversation view, while archiving tucks the entire chat out of sight in your main list so your workspace feels cleaner. This is especially useful if you're done with a conversation for now but might revisit it later. Think of archiving as a way to keep your list focused on active chats while preserving older threads in the background. A quick tip: interface labels can vary slightly over time, but the 3-dot menu next to a message is the key place to find the Remove Message option. Take a moment to double check you're removing the correct content before you confirm. With these steps, you can keep your character.ai space organized by deleting messages you no longer need and archiving chats you don't want to see every day.